Okay, so for the culminating task for this unit, you're going to be creating a one-point perspective cityscape. Now you've already created a basic cityscape during the tutorial. Now you're going to be able to put your own personality into it and really make all the decisions about what goes where and what gets included in your cityscape. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch all the videos that I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial to teach you certain things that you can put into your cityscape. Once you're done watching all of those tutorials, you're then going to come up with a rough copy. Your rough copy can be very, very, very basic. Once you've got your rough copy done, you're going to come up to Miss Albert and you're going to show it to me and I'm going to approve it or give you some suggestions of what else you could do. Then you're going to get your good copy piece of paper, which is this size. It's a bit longer than average printer paper, and you'll be able to get started. My biggest tip for you is to draw light. Don't forget that. Everything you draw, make sure you're drawing it light. Let's take a look at your learning goal and success criteria. What are we learning? Well, we are learning to use the techniques of one-point perspective to create a cityscape. The success criteria is how you know that you've achieved the learning goal. So your success criteria is that you will be able to correctly create a horizon line and a vanishing point. You will be able to correctly create buildings using perspective techniques. You will ensure that all vertical lines are in fact vertical. And you will use shading techniques taught to complete the shading of your city, and you will make sure that objects get smaller and lighter as they approach the vanishing point. And that's going to become clearer as you watch all the tutorials. This is how you're going to be marked for this unit. So it's not a rubric like all of your previous units. It is points, and you have to make sure that you are following all the guidelines in order to achieve all the points. The first step for your culminating task is to decide where you want your horizon line to be on your page. Different horizon heights on your page show your point of view. The lower the horizon, the closer you are to the ground. So this is a low horizon line, which basically means we're sitting right on the ground directly in front of the train, and that's where we're taking our picture from. This is a medium horizon line. It's at our eye level. We're standing up. We're looking directly at this image. The train is coming directly at us, but we're not sitting down. We're standing up. And this is a high horizon line, which almost looks like we're floating above the ground, looking down on everything. So that's the difference between a high, a medium, and a low horizon line. And they all determine how you're looking at your image. Here's some examples. So in this example, we have a low horizon line. We're sitting low to the ground and we're looking up at everything. We can't see the roofs of any of these buildings. In this example, we've got a high horizon line, and we are almost floating in the sky looking down at the city, so we can see the tops of these buildings. In this awesome example, we have a horizon line that's going across the middle of our page, so we can't see the tops of the buildings, we're looking directly at them. So now that you've seen a variety of different placements for your horizon line, go ahead and go grab a piece of good copy paper, decide where you want to put your horizon line, and go ahead and put it there. Don't forget to draw it very light because you will have to erase parts of it as you continue with your good copy. So on your good copy paper, you now have the freedom to look through any of the video tutorials that I've created to show you how to create certain things, or you can just kind of wing it and go with your own knowledge that you've already gotten from the basic cityscape tutorial and from the cubes. You can also feel free to look things up on the internet, perhaps some examples or some ideas or even some tutorial videos. Have fun!